Good day. In this session, we look at types of reactions. We'll be looking and focusing at three to begin with. These three types are the combination reaction, decomposition, and combustion reactions. Let's take a deeper look. Now, in a combination reaction, we have two or more substances getting together to form one product. We have examples here. In the first one, we have magnesium metal reacting with oxygen gas to form magnesium oxide. So notice we have the metal, magnesium. It's a solid. We have the gaseous oxygen. If we apply heat to activate the process, then the magnesium and the oxygen react to form the solid, which is actually a white powder, magnesium oxide. Notice the equation. Two magnesiums require one oxygen to give two magnesium oxides. Information provided: the magnesium and the magnesium oxide are in the solid state. The oxygen is in the gaseous state. Also note that it's a balanced equation. Two magnesium here, two magnesium here. Two oxygens in the one molecule. One oxygen times two gives us a total of two oxygens. And if you look at the other equations, you'll see the same thing. We have two substances reacting together to form one. So that is a combination reaction. In a decomposition reaction, we have one substance that breaks down into two or more. So in a way, these two reactions are opposite. In combination, we take two and make one. In decomposition, we take one and make two or more. Examples: if we look at calcium carbonate, also known as limestone, also referred to as chalk, we take the calcium carbonate and we strongly heat it. It breaks down under the effect of strong heat to give us calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. If we examine the equation, we see one calcium on each side, one carbon on each side, and three oxygens on each side. Notice that the calcium carbonate starts out as a solid and produces calcium oxide solid while releasing carbon dioxide gas. And if you have a look at the other reactions, you'll see that they are balanced. We're starting out with one substance. It decomposes under the influence of heat in each case, giving two substances. So these are examples of decomposition reactions. The third type of reaction is the combustion reaction. Now, in a combustion reaction, you have a substance reacting with oxygen to form products. Combustion reactions are often going to be rapid and very exothermic, in other words, releasing a lot of energy. They oftentimes can produce a flame. Explosions are examples of reactions that produce energy and flames. Let's have a look at more detail at the combustion of methane, CH4. So we have CH4, that's your methane. We're reacting it with oxygen gas. So the methane is a gas, oxygen is a gas, and we produce the products. The products from the combustion of methane are carbon dioxide and water. And because of the temperature of the reaction, the water is actually produced as water vapor, so that the products are also in the gaseous state. If we examine the reaction equation, we see that there's one carbon on each side, four hydrogens, and four oxygens. All of the substances are in the gaseous state. In combustion, generally we're talking about reacting with oxygen in the air. So these then are examples of reactions. Look around you and think, what type of reaction is occurring? Think about some reactions that you've met in previous chemistry studies and see if you can classify them as combustion reactions, decomposition reactions, or combination reactions. Thank you for your attention.